Hey guys, Dr. Berner, Foundation Chiropractic. Today I want to explain our cervical neck pillows, okay? So this pillow is made specifically for your neck curve. There's only two ways to sleep, on your back or on your side. You should not be sleeping on your stomach. It's going to twist your neck and back all night and cause problems in the morning, like a headache or a stiff neck. Now, let's say you're on your back. You want to use this middle portion, but there's a proper way to do it. You want to have the curve not here. You see how it's going to bring my head forward? You want to bring the curve lower, basically at the top of your back on the lower part of your neck. That way, my head will drop down into the hole. Why is that? My head is longer than my neck right here. So that extra portion is going to go down into this gap right here, okay? So when you're on your back, have the curve a little bit lower. Now, if you're on your side, I'm a side sleeper, so I use either this side or this side. Now notice, your head weighs more than your neck, so it's going to go down and cave into the middle, and then this is going to support your head. So when you're sleeping on your side, you want to sleep just like this. So don't put your shoulder here, put it right on the side of your face. This is going to keep everything nice and level. That way your head has support, your neck too, and it's nice and neutral with your spine. That way you stabilize the corrections longer, you sleep better, and that's just how your body's going to heal. So, Dr. Berner, Foundation Chiropractic, how to use our neck pillows in the office.